What up? Winbush here. And today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how you can change the viewport resolution whenever you're using a background image in Cinema 4D. So I have Cinema 4D open. I'm using version S22 for this example. And so the question was, whenever I have like a background image here, so let me come up here to this right here where you have the floor. Then I'm going to click on background. So the question was from here, whenever you have like an image as the background in Cinema 4D, how do you change the resolution so it's not so fuzzy so you can use it as a reference for like modeling or things like that? And so the way that I do it is I come down here, I make a material. So I'm just going to double click down here. Then I'm going to double click on my material. And then I'm going to turn off the color channel and the reflectance channel. And I'm going to turn on the luminance channel. And now from here, I'm going to click and drag an image. So this is just one I grabbed off the internet instead of like a castle or something. So I'm going to click and drag this into here, into my texture port. I'm going to click no. Okay, so now I have a texture in my luminance channel. I'm going to close this out and I'm going to click and drag it into the background. So there we go. Now we have a reference image in the background and you can see that it's really fuzzy here. And we do have the flexibility to change the resolution so it's a lot more clear. And so I'm going to open back up my material down here. And then I'm going to click on viewport right here. And then right here where it says texture preview size, it's at default, which I believe is at like 128, but you could go up to like 2K or 4K. So I'm going to click on 4K. And boom, there you go. Now you have a high resolution as your background image in Cinema 4D. So hopefully this quick tip helped you out. I know I had a question about it inside my channel here. So if this did help you out, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you next time. Take care.